Let us move on to our second module. Second module is all about predictive analytics. First of all, definition for predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a category of data analytics aimed at making predictions about future outcomes based on historic data and analytic techniques such as statistical modeling and machine learning. So predictive analytics is mainly aimed at making predictions, making future predictions about the future outcomes, and the predictions are made based on historical data and analytical techniques such as statistical modeling and machine learning. This predictive analytics can make predictions with a significant degree of precision. That is, accuracy is very high. With the help of sophisticated predictive tools and models, any organization can now use past and current data to forecast trends and behaviors days or years into the future. The predictions can be made for coming years or for coming days. And how does the predictive analytics work? Predictive analytics has its power from a wide range of methods and technologies including big data, data mining, statistical modeling, machine learning, and assorted mathematical processes. These are the methods or technologies used in predictive analytics. Also, organizations use predictive analytics to sift through current and historical data to detect trends and also to forecast events based on supplied parameters. And with predictive analytics, organization can find and exploit patterns within the data in order to detect risks and opportunities. Here are a few examples of how organizations are making use of predictive analytics. First example is aerospace. Here in aerospace, predictive analytics make predictions based on some maintenance operations which make impact on aircraft reliability, fuel use, and also availability and uptime. In automotive sector, predictive analytics is used in vehicle manufacturing plants. Also, it will be helpful in making autonomous vehicles. In energy sector, predictive analytics is used to forecast long-term price and demand ratios. It will forecast price and demand ratios. And in financial sector, predictive analytics is used to develop credit risk models. And also it can predict the impact of new policies, laws and regulations on businesses and markets. It can forecast financial market trends. In manufacturing sector, it can predict the location and rate of machine failures. Also, it can predict what all raw materials will be needed for future demands. In law enforcement sector, the predictive analytics use crime trend data to define neighborhoods that may need additional protection. And in retail sector, it is used to follow an online customer to determine whether providing an additional product information or incentives will increase the likelihood of a completed transaction. That is, it is used for increasing customer satisfaction and for retaining the customers.